Today I'm going to be installing the Kill All Wipers Wiper Delete Kit on my 2006 Ford Focus hatchback. There's the plug. Oh, look, it got a little sticker on it too. That's awesome. Leave it like that? Why? It does look cool. Alright. I think it's basically these. Oh, you know what? Actually, I should probably do this first. I gotta take this off.
I'm trying to record it sideways. You can see the line in the bottom.
Jeez. Are you nervous?
Yeah. I don't like being judged.
Plus, I don't want to do impact stuff because of the glass. Do it by hand and take it slow.
You need flash. Look at that shit. So pretty. So pretty. So pretty. I'm talking about you too.
Well, that's not needed. Pull these clips out. And then we're going to want to put this back in.
Hey, why'd you take it off?
I had to because the ground was on the other. There was ground on that one. Alright, so the plug's in place, and that white paper with the goo comes off after everything dries. And I have tape on the backside holding it in place. Alright, so it's fully installed now. It looks pretty good. It did miss a small piece on the top there with the silicone, but I don't think that's going to be a big deal. But it looks pretty good. And this is what the inside part looks like.